Hello and welcome guys and welcome to this vlog. So yes, the date sheet for December 2023 examination is out. We know the dates, we know the target, we know the aim, we know the goal. Now the only thing is the journey. We are already sitting on fag end of August. Just forget about August. Now we barely have 3 months to go. September, October. And I'm getting so many messages from all of you, sir, how to prepare in these last 3 months so that we can extract best out of us. Because guys, these 3 last months are the game changer. They can either make you or break you. And I've been telling students for a very long time now that these 3 months, critical months, the last 3 months before the examination can really qualify you, or they can disqualify you based on your attitude, based on your approach. Doesn't matter whether for past 6 months you've studied or not. Doesn't matter whether you've sincerely studied for the examination or not. Even if you have studied for the examination and you do not prepare well for these last 3 months, there's a high probability you will fail. But if you have not studied properly in last 6 months, but in these 3 months you give it your best shot, there are high chances you qualify this examination. So yes, tip number 1, stop doubting yourself. Stop saying, sir, मुझसे नहीं होगा, time बहुत कम बचा है, time is not left, I won't be able to do it. How can I do it in such a short span of time? Stop saying this. Because using the strategy which I'm going to tell you, even within these few months, you can actually qualify your examination without any doubt. So point number 1, stop doubting yourself. Rather say that I will use the next 3 months to the best of my ability to generate amazing results for myself. Just comment in the comment section below. I will give it my best shot. Write this comment in the comment section. See determination that can flow into your entire body. So yes, these 3 months are game changer. Even if you've not studied well, then guys, I'll tell you a strategy through which you can actually qualify your examination in December 2023 in the given 3 months. And yes, given 3 months are more than enough to qualify the examination. So just listen to the strategy carefully and with a positive mindset that yes, I can do it. Yes, I will become a CMA in the December 2023 attempt, or I will qualify my CMA intermediate and get into CMA final in December 2023. With this positive approach, just listen to this video. So I've divided all the students into 2 parts. Your situation can be one of the 2. Number 1, your course is completed or your course is not completed, which means you've seen your video lectures properly, you've completed the video lectures. And guys, even if you have completed 90% of all the subjects of video lecture, I will keep you in this category, course completed. Course complete doesn't mean that you have to finish 100% of the syllabus of each of the course. Even if you have completed 90% of the syllabus, absolutely fine for me. So I've divided this into 2 categories. Student number 1, your course is completed, which means at least 90% of your syllabus of all the subjects. If you're giving 8 subjects, then 8 subjects. If you're giving 4 subjects, then 4 subjects is completed. Second is course not completed. So if your course is completed, congratulations, you're absolutely bang on, right on time. Completing the course before 3 months of the examination is absolute glory, and it's absolute perfect thing to do. So congratulations on that. Now what you need to do, you need to plan your revisions. You need to plan next 3 months in a way that you revise the entire syllabus at least thrice. 3 times the entire syllabus must be revised. So revisions are to be planned. Okay, thrashing technique is to be used. What is thrashing technique? First revision, you have to revise the entire syllabus. Second revision, you have to revise only 70% of the syllabus. Third revision, you have to revise only 40% of the syllabus, which means you have to cut down on the important areas where you have to revise again and again, so that your time melts down to very minuscule time period. Okay, so during your revision, please make sure that you cut the easy questions. Okay, so if practical questions are there, easy questions are cut it, that you won't be doing it in the next revision. Pick up those questions which have maximum concepts rather than those questions which are dealing with only one concept. So the questions which are dealing with one concept, cut those questions and tick on those questions which are having multiple concepts, so that in the next revision attempt you can only do you will only do those questions which have multiple concepts all in one. Okay, so revisions, MTP, mock test papers of the past papers of the past examinations, very important for your last moment revision. And yes, please study suggested answers of last 5 attempts. at least last 5 attempts suggested answer should be studied. Now syllabus 2022 students will ask me, sir, how can we study last 5 attempts suggested answers? Guys, you can study 2016 syllabus suggested answer. It's perfectly fine. At least you will be able to understand the flow. You will be able to understand the manner in which questions are asked, and almost in all the subjects 80% of syllabus remains the same. 70 to 80% syllabus remains the same. That way also it is going to be very, very helpful to you. So suggested answer definitely required to be done. Next category students, course not completed, and this is the reason why these category students are panicking a lot, sir. August has ended and we have not been able to even finish our course, finish our syllabus. That's too late for us. So guys, don't worry. Now the first target is you have to complete your syllabus. Okay, give yourself fixed number of days, which means if you are in final and you're doing cost audit, give yourself next 7 days. In 7 days, you have to finish cost audit at any cost. At any cost. Whether you have to study for 10 hours a day, whether you have to study 12 hours a day, do it. Finish cost audit in next 7 days. See your video lectures in 2x time period. Increase the speed. But you have to finish in next 7 days. That's an example that I'm giving you. So complete the syllabus in time-bound manner. Within a few days, just give yourself these much days, that in these much days I'm going to finish this particular subject syllabus. At any cost, do it. Okay, at any cost. If you're doing your articleship, leave your articleship. Now it's not the time to do your articleship. Leave your articleship. Take out time in your office time. Forget about your mobile phone. Keep it switched off in your cupboard. Don't pull it up. Whatever is eating away your time, just scrap that activity. Just complete your syllabus in a time bound. That is the first task. The first and foremost thing is to complete your syllabus, sir. But if we complete our syllabus in the next 3 months, we won't be able to revise. That's perfectly all right, because now the syllabus which you are going to complete will be completed in a manner that you don't need revision. You will be very thorough in it, because these are the last month, guys. Okay, so you do your studies in such a manner that you don't need revision. Yes, so study in a manner that you don't need revision. The notes which are prepared, the questions which are solved, the concepts which are there in your mind, they should be absolutely crystal clear in a manner that you don't need any revision. So work on that basis. Still, guys, try that November month. Before November month, you'll be able to complete your syllabus. Try to do that. Okay, so that November is dedicated to revision. Even if that's not possible, that's perfectly all right. No revision will be done by you. You have to complete your course in a way that revision is not required. That is the so complete the entire syllabus in a time bound manner. 7 days, 5 days, 8 days. Set your targets like this. Next, smart study. Now if your course is not completed, naturally you need time to complete the course. Guys, do some smart study. Use scanner and do A, B, C analysis from scanner. Just to give you an example, in cost audit, if you're doing cost accounting standards, you are already aware that 1 to 10 cost accounting standards are the most important cost accounting standards. 11 to 24 are not that important. Employ more time on 1 to 10 cost accounting standards and employ less time on 11 to 24 cost accounting. That is the trick of saving time. Indirect taxation, you are aware that PGBP, salary, capital gain, house property, these are key important chapters. So employ more time on these chapters. Okay, and chapters like assessment of various persons, or TDS, or deductions, or agriculture income, or exempt income, these are less important chapters. So employ less time on those chapters. And how would you know about it? Using scanner. Scanner is a very good way to know which chapters are important, which are not important. So do some smart study. And once all this is over, then you move on to this category of things, which means you will do revision. If November last month is left with you, do revision, do mock test papers, and then do suggested answers. Okay, if this part is over, then you jump onto this part. This part is not over, don't jump onto that part. That's perfectly all right. You'll go to examination hall without revision, absolutely fine. There are high probabilities that you'll succeed, because you're completing your course in a way that you don't need revision. Absolutely thorough, absolutely detailed. That is the trick. So these are the two category of students who are there as of now. Okay, one whose syllabus is not complete, one whose syllabus is complete. Either the categories, the chances of success in December 23 examination is absolutely 100%, guys. Absolutely there. So don't worry, sir. Time नहीं बचा, sir. क्या करें, sir? मतलब कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा, sir. मतलब दिमाग में कुछ घुस ही नहीं रहा. कैसे घुसेगा? आप बहुत ज़्यादा impatient हो रहे. You are losing your patience. You are losing your calm. The next 3 points that I'm going to tell you is for all the students of CMA who are giving December 2023 examination, guys, the first and foremost point is calm down. You're panicking a lot. Don't panic so much. Calm down. Because unless until you calm down, your brain will not work to the best of your efficiency. Your brain will be working, up till half of your efficiency or 25% of your efficiency, and you will not be able to reap the benefits which you want. So first and foremost is calm down, relax, give it your best shot. Whether you are an early bird or you are an owl. Owl means you are studying at night. Early bird means you wake up early in the morning and study. In either of the two situations, calm down. Just give it your best shot to studies. And of course, now guys is the time when you have to put long study hours. Yes. 10 on an average, you should maintain 10 hours per day study schedule. 8 is a bare minimum. 8 is a bare minimum. 10 is an average. 12 is superb. So maintain long study hours. Of course, guys, you're going to get country's best accounting degree. Country's best costing profile will be yours. Country's best 3 alphabets will be suffixed with your name, which are CM. Of course, some sacrifice is required for it. Some giving back is required for it. And what is the giving back? Giving back is this: long study hours. Yes, guys, you have to struggle. You have to curtail your pleasures. You have to miss some parties. You have to miss your pleasures, Netflix sessions, or roaming about with friends session. You have to miss all these things. Maybe you won't be able to celebrate Diwali as elaborately as you do usually. So maybe you won't be able to do that, and that's perfectly fine. Sacrificing one Diwali for sake of Diwalis of lifetime is worth it. I'm telling you, it's worth it. So just have long study hours in your schedule. Do not panic if you're studying for long study hours, and do not panic if you're having sleepless nights, because during this time it's very common to have sleepless nights. It's okay. If you're not able to sleep at night, then sit and start studying again. Sleep during daytime. Don't panic. It's very, very normal. It's a normal symptom which will come up: panic attacks, sleepless nights, you feeling very anxious. All these things are very normal. Deal with it, because you're going to get one of the most respected degrees in the world, which is CMA. It'll all be worth it. And of course, last but not all the least, remove distractions from your life. Monitor your screen time of your mobile phone regularly. It's an emergency situation. Keep your mobile phone switched off in Elmira. Sir, but we study using our mobile phone. No. That studying time will be captured by your screen time. Okay, that screen time should show your study time on your mobile app, and all the other things should be uninstalled from your phone. Yes, I'm saying uninstalled. Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, anything and everything should be uninstalled from your phone. Uninstalled means uninstalled. Uninstalled doesn't mean that, so we check it once in a while. No, you have to check it once in a while. Uninstalled means uninstalled. So remove all the distractions which are there in your life as of now, because now is the time to give it your 100% to one and only aim of your life, being a CMA. You're doing it for yourself. You're doing it for your parents who are waiting eagerly for you to become a CMA. So yes, it'll all be worth it at the end of the day. So yes, guys, that was my suggestion, my plan, my action plan for you for December 23 attempt. Do not think that time is very, very less now, and you won't be able to do it now, because even if you start now sincerely, honestly, religiously, then definitely you're going to attain the goal which you are wanting to attain. So yes, if you have any queries, if you have any further questions from me, please comment in the comment section below. And yes, do write in the comment section below, sir. We are going to give our best. Just comment best in the comment section, and yes, we are going to clear December 23 attempt. On that positive note, all the very best and happy studying.